Welcome to Globe Motors Blackburn, the premier RAC approved used car dealer in the Northwest. Every vehicle we offer is carefully selected, professionally prepared, and comes with complete peace of mind as standard. All of our cars are RAC approved, meaning each one undergoes a full 82-point RAC approved inspection carried out by our own RAC approved technicians right here on site. Every vehicle includes 3 months RAC warranty, 12 months RAC breakdown cover, and is fully HPI clear for your confidence. We take pride in delivering quality vehicles that you can rely on, with preparation standards that go above and beyond. At Globe Motors Blackburn, it's not just about selling cars, it's about making sure you drive away with total confidence. Here we have a high-spec 2015 Range Rover Evoque 2.2 SD4 Dynamic Lux, finished in Kaikoura stone. This is the diesel automatic 4-wheel drive model with just 72,248 genuine warranted miles, and the maintenance history is the big strength on this one. It comes with service history showing 8 service stamps, including 6 Land Rover main dealer stamps. The Cambelt has been replaced at 62,000 miles by Land Rover in Chichester, and at 69,000 miles it also had a gearbox service, transfer box service and rear differential service, as well as an oil service carried out by Autopilots Limited in Rushington. That is exactly the sort of maintenance profile buyers want to see on a 4-wheel drive Evoque. A free 12 months MOT will be provided prior to purchase, and the vehicle comes with 2 remote central locking keys. The specification is strong as well. You get the glorious Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making it much easier to use maps, music and calls through the car system. There is also a dual view touchscreen system, Bluetooth with Bluetooth audio, and as well voice commands with wireless phone charging and the glorious Meridian surround sound system. Driver assistance is also another strong point, with blind spot monitoring, reverse traffic detection, self-parking functions including parallel parking and perpendicular parking with parking exit. Manoeuvring is made much easier too, with the reverse park cameras, front bumper cameras, door mirror cameras and front and rear parking sensors with parking aid alert. Inside you also get the panoramic glass skyline roof with electric sliding sunblind, full leather seating with the front seats being heated and the driver's seat having the memory option. Dual zone climate control, ambient interior lighting, electric rear tailgate, xenon headlights, daytime LED running lights, paddle shift controls and 20-inch alloy wheels round off the spec beautifully. For extra peace of mind, this Evoque comes with 3 months RAC nationwide parts and labour warranty and 12 months RAC breakdown cover. Customers could also ask our trained staff here at Globe Motors Blackburn about extending the warranty for longer term peace of mind. If you're looking for a vehicle that has been prepared to the highest standards, then this is one not to miss. Here at Globe Motors Blackburn, all of our vehicles are displayed in our purposely adapted indoor showing room, allowing you to view all of our stock comfortably, whatever the weather. We offer a full range of finance options tailored to suit you, and every vehicle is presented by our RAC approved team, ensuring the highest levels of quality and preparation throughout. If you're not local, we also offer nationwide delivery and can provide a full remote walkaround via WhatsApp, so you can view the vehicle in detail from wherever you are. For more information, to reserve this vehicle or to arrange a test drive, get in touch with our team today. Globe Motors Blackburn. Quality vehicles prepared properly.